In today's landscape, there are a number of laser options. It really comes down to goals and what you're really trying to accomplish. Are you in a maintenance phase of meaning that the skin looks really good, you're just trying to maintain that elegant look, or are we trying to fix and improve a few things? Well, those are a lot of the common things that we have to assess when looking or deciding between the laser options. Moxie is a great laser, the Tetra Cool Peel is a great laser, Halo is a fantastic laser, the Aerolase Neo, great laser. But each of them, while overlapping, offer certain features over one or the other. They all complement things well, meaning the Moxie and your Botox is great to do together. No need to necessarily do it apart unless we're just doing a individual session of one or the other, but they do complement each other well. But why would you do a Moxie over a Tetra or a Halo over a Moxie? I'm going to try to break that down for you just a little bit so you can understand the process a little bit more. Now, one thing I'm not going to do is get too deep in the technological side of the laser types. That'll be another video, so feel free to check that out later on. So let's get to it. Moxie is going to be that laser that is your maintenance laser, or perhaps you've got some melasma, sun damage. Ideally, your skin is not going to have a ton of wrinkles and textures and lines. It's going to be overall in good shape, looks pretty good. You are really just full of melasma, sun damage, sunspots, and this is a great option to go with. Now let's say your face kind of looks like mine. It's clean, there's not a lot of sun damage, and you're really just trying to maintain this look. Well, Moxie is a great option. Alternatively, the Tetra Cool Peel. It's a different type of laser, it's a CO2 laser. However, for that light, fluffy maintenance laser, it's a good laser to do. Both of these have very minimal downtime. So when choosing between, say, the Tetra Cool Peel or the Moxie, it really comes down to, are we just maintaining, or is there some melasma that we're dealing with? The Cool Peel does a great job of melasma treatment, but Moxie destroys melasma. Now, let's get away from melasma and talk about sun damage. What's your better option? Either one of them are fantastic. Now, the only upside to that is, I would say, if there's a lot of brown spots, you may want to consider a BBL. That's broadband light. That is the gold standard for redness as well as sun damage. You don't want to really use a BBL on melasma. That can cause it to be worse, so typically we stay away from that. But one of our classic treatments that we do is the BBL Moxie or BBL Halo, because we can get in there and really pull out that pigment and then dive into the other features of the treatment. So, Halo versus Moxie, how do we decide? Well, if you've got acne scars, deeper wrinkles, texture, things you want to work on, smoker's lines, some eye wrinkles, then the Halo is a great one to go with. Moxie's not going to really cover any of that deep damage from, say, acne scars. It's just not going to do it. Halo is going to be your treatment of choice. Now, some folks, and we do a lot of microneedling, but if you've got deep acne scars, boxcar scars, that sort of thing, you're not going to get very far with microneedling. You can do 20, 30 treatments. Theoretically, you're not going to see a lot of improvement in the scars. Now, everywhere else, the microneedling will do a fantastic job. And if you really want to dive in on a phenomenal microneedling treatment, ask us about the Signature microneedling treatment. It is a great adjunct or maintenance treatment in lieu of a laser. But back to Halo. Halo, fractional hybrid laser, very deep, very, very nice in terms of textural improvement. And if you want to see some before and afters, hit up the Instagram or our webpage, because we've got great before and afters at bolusmedspa.com/Halo. But Halo is going to be that gold standard treatment that really gets in there and sort of improves those acne scars. It is a wonderful treatment, but does come with a few days, 3-4 days of some swelling and not looking so great. A week total for Halo and Moxie in terms of recovery. However, Moxie is easy. You're back to work the next day. With Halo, while you can go to work, you're going to be swollen and puffy. So if you're not seeing people or necessarily, say, care what you look like those first few days, you can go back to work. None of these treatments have downtime where you're stuck into the house. Now, we do have laser options, treatment options that will keep you in the house for at least a week, maybe two, but those are deep, deep lasers. That is our Erbium TRL laser that we use to just completely erase damage and wrinkles. That's going to be at least 2 weeks of looking really beat up, swelling, all of that. Halo, Moxie, Tetra, you're not coming home looking like you just got beat up by Mike Tyson. It won't happen. You'll look red and within 24 hours start showing mends and improvement in the skin. Now there's lots of other lasers out there that might do similar things, but keep in mind some of the laser technology is old. Yes, there are a lot of similarities to, say, what's under the hood, meaning yes, it's a very similar laser and it's half the price. You saw it down the road for half price. It's another laser company or whatever. Well, is that technology up to speed and able to actually do or treat your problems? Maybe, maybe not. Now back to Halo and these guys here that we have. What separates our treatments from some of the other places in town that may have these devices? Well, we are really at the forefront of pushing the envelope to optimize your results. Meaning, we are really going to not turn it on and just go with the safe start settings. We're going to tweak it and optimize it so that we're going to deliver a phenomenal result every time. Our packages are customized and tailored for you so that we get you those results. Now, you know, you may go and buy a Black Friday special or something. You may not get the tweaking that you need if you buy something like that, but generally we want to offer the custom treatments that not only we deliver top tier results, but also we stack with other lasers. You heard me mention before the BBL. Well, we like to actually take the BBL and do it with the Moxie when we can. Now, not all skin types can have a BBL, but it is fantastic to do with Moxie or Halo. Additionally, I should say, for Moxie as well as my Halo treatment, we bring in a third secret sauce, another laser, to really finish the treatment in an elegant manner. It really takes a great treatment and makes it an outstanding, phenomenal treatment. So those results are truly elevated and different than anywhere else you'll see in the DMV area. Now we're located here in Elk Ridge, Maryland, right beside Columbia, just a few minutes from Baltimore. So whether you're coming to us from Annapolis or DC, across the bridge, we've got a solution for you. Now you may be watching this going, well, I've got acne. Well, we've got something for that. We've got a customized treatment plan that can help you improve your acne. And then once we get the acne under control, we can dive into actual treatment options to repair the scars if you have them. If you don't have scars, great. So the point is, we can tailor the treatments to your problems and your goals. Price is going to vary a little bit. You know, you can't sort of lock in a price when we're tailoring and customizing treatments for you and your specific goals. We offer a totally complimentary virtual consultation for new patients. So if you're interested in exploring laser options, or maybe you've done some lasers and you didn't quite get the results you were looking for, reach out, jump over to our website or Instagram, wherever you're watching this video from, and book an online consultation. It's complimentary, and the first one's on us, so that we can do a little meet and greet and figure out if we can help and if we're a good fit for each other. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully it's been a good amount of information and not too overwhelming anyway. So again, thanks for your time and look forward to meeting you soon.